Hi, I got this portable space heater on Amazon. It is extremely efficient on that it heats up the area within 2 seconds. So if I turn it on and I want it up at like 85 degrees, it'll heat that area within 2 seconds. It'll get that temperature up to where it's at. So it's nice that it can instantly turn on. There's a lot of benefits on it. You can control everything on the top of the station. Right now it's oscillating right now, and it'll go 70 degrees angle when it's oscillating. But it also comes with a remote, which is very simple to use. Right now I have it on the mute, so when you're clicking the temp, it's not going to change or beep. But if I want to have it on, you can have it make noise then. So it's nice having that mute on there. If you want to do the different modes, there's high, there's low, and then there's eco. So there is 3 different modes on here. And then if you want to have it not oscillate, you can hit either the oscillating button or on the remote. Same thing. You click it and it'll start going through. Another great feature is, say you want to have the space heater on for 2 hours. I can click and go 2 hours, and after that 2 hours, this will turn off. So it's nice that you can control that, and it goes all the way up to 12 hours. So the temp should go all the way up to 95. So it's nice that it has a very decent temp all the way down to 41 degrees. And another nice thing on this is if this gets tipped over, it has a sensor where it's going to turn off the heater, so you don't have to worry about possibly having a fire start because of it. It has that nice anti-issue. If it tips over, it'll turn off. So a lot of great features with this. The remote is extremely handy and helpful to use, so you don't have to be right on the space heater and hitting it. So if you're looking for a space heater, I'd highly recommend getting this one on Amazon.
Hi, I'm here today to share with you this space heater. This has been such a great space heater for small offices, or what I like to use it for is our nursery. So when I'm in there with my baby, the one feature that I love so much about this space heater is it's very, very quiet. So it's less than 48 decibels, which is very quiet and very great. It also comes with a great remote, so that's an awesome feature to have as well. I'm going to plug it in here and show you how awesome it works. Plug it in. Alright, now that I have it plugged in, I'm going to turn it on here. I had it in the oscillating motion, so you can just instantly see how awesome it is that it's going to be distributing that heat throughout the room, whether it's your home office, a nursery, a small room, big room, whatever it may be. It's a really great product that really sends the heat very well. It comes with this remote, like I said before. There's a plus and minus, so if I want to turn the heat on higher or lower, you can do it there. If you heard the beeping noise, you can turn that off by the remote here. There's a silence button, so I'm gonna hit silence there, and then I'm able to click, and you can't hear that noise, which is great. So yeah, awesome product to have. I love that there's a timer on there, so if I need to set a timer to have it turn off, I can do that also. It'd make an awesome gift, or if you're just looking for yourself, you can find it right on Amazon.